Listen carefully. If you want her to come back, chasing her is the worst thing you can do. I'm not saying that to hurt you. I'm saying it because psychology proves it, and Stoic philosophy has been teaching it for over 2,000 years. Today, I'll reveal exactly how to flip the script, how to break up with being the man she left behind and become the man she can't get out of her head. And here's the best part. You don't have to beg, manipulate, or play games. In just a few minutes from now, you'll have a clear understanding of why she'll be attracted back to you. Naturally. Who and why? I know where you are right now. You wake up, look at your phone, hoping to see her name on it. Every time a notification comes through, your heart leaps. You think about the old days in your mind. The laughs, the hugs, the nights when you felt like the only two souls in the universe. And then you think, what happened? Here's the reality. Your brain is currently primed for panic. It's yelling at you to act, to text her, call her, fix things. But human psychology has an ugly twist. The more you pursue, the less desirable you become. And that's where Stoicism has come in. The Stoics taught that real strength lies in controlling your emotions, not in attempting to control others. And when you get control of yourself, something magical happens. The world, and yes, even she, begins to respond differently. Why chasing pushes her away? Suppose you go into a store. There's a shirt that you sort of like, but the clerk trails after you, keeps asking, do you like it? Would you like to buy it? It's ideal for you. What do? You begin to feel pressured. You want to get out. That's reactance theory in psychology. When we feel that somebody is attempting to control us, we react. Same thing in relationships. When you bombard her phone with messages, when you plead for another chance, that pressure bothers her. And instead of recalling the good times, she's thinking about how to escape the pressure. The scarcity principle makes it worse. The more readily available something is, the less precious it becomes. If you're always accessible, you're speaking silently. My time, my energy, my attention, they're readily available. The Stoic version? Marcus Aurelius penned, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Chasing her means you've lost that power, and if you need her back, step one is taking it back. The psychology of making her miss you. Here's what does work instead. And I'm not discussing playing hard to get in a childlike manner. I'm discussing making space for feelings to reset. This is termed the no contact rule. For 30 to 60 days, you leave her alone. No calls, no texts, no sleazy likes on Instagram at 2 a.m. Why? Because immediately post-breakup, her emotional memory is loaded with the reasons she broke up with you. If you continue to show up, you're perpetuating those reasons. But when you vanish, something odd occurs. The human mind begins to alter memories. With time, the sharpness of fights wears away, and the cozy, nostalgic moments get clearer. Combine this with the strength of enigma, when she has no idea what you're up to, with whom you're spending time, or how you're feeling. Curiosity takes over. And curiosity is the precursor to desire. From a Stoic point of view, you're not doing this to get a reaction. You're doing it because your energy is yours first. You're exercising self-control, and believe me, self-control is highly attractive. Step-by-step action plan. Step 1, stop chasing. Adopt no contact. Say to yourself, each time I feel the urge to contact, I'm going to put that energy towards myself instead. Step 2, work on yourself. Physical, hit the gym, upgrade your style, look in the mirror and see progress. Social, reconnect with friends, meet new people, join activities you've always wanted to try. Financial, focus on career or business growth. Success is attractive. Step 3, show, don't tell. Don't post motivational breakup quotes on social media that screams bitterness. Post moments that show you're living a fuller life, a hike, a dinner with friends, learning a new skill. Step 4, emotional reset. Write down what went wrong without blaming yourself. Learn from the past, but not from it. Step 5, controlled reconnection. If she contacts you, answer warmly but superficially. Make it light, upbeat, and steer clear of heavy emotional conversations early on. When and where she'll notice at the most unexpected moments. When she sees you in a photo, smiling and feeling great. When friends in common casually say you're doing wonderfully. When she's scrolling late at night and wonders, what's he up to? The timing isn't the same for everyone. Sometimes it's a few weeks, sometimes months. But the key is this: you can't force it. She has to discover the new you on her own. Stoic closing mindset. Here's the paradox. She's most likely to come back when you truly don't need her to. Stoicism espouses that our happiness can never be based on someone else's decision. Your task is to become so strong in who you are that whether she returns or not, you're still living a life you can be proud of. If she returns, she'll find a man who's more resilient, more peaceful, and more confident than before. If she doesn't, you still win. Call to action. So let's summarize. Quit chasing. Provide space. Work on yourself physically, socially, and emotionally. Allow her curiosity to develop naturally. This is not about tricks. This is about transformation. Don't forget, the man she returns to needs to be an improved man than the one she departed. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more psychology and stoicism tips, because your future self is depending upon you.